How to fix Panasonic printer offline issue on Windows. Step 1. Check physical connections. Power on the printer and check all cables, USB network. For wireless models, ensure the printer is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Restart devices. Turn off and unplug the printer for 30 seconds. Restart your Windows PC. Step 3. Set printer online. Open Control Panel. Devices and Printers. Right-click your Panasonic printer, select See what's printing. Click Printer in the menu bar. Uncheck Use Printer Offline if selected. Step 4. Clear Print Queue. In the Printer Queue window, click Printer. Cancel all documents. Restart both printer and computer. Step 5. Update printer status. Right-click Printer in Devices and Printers. Select Troubleshoot and follow prompts. Windows will attempt to automatically fix issues. Step 6. Reinstall printer. Uninstall current printer driver. Press Ctrl Windows +R. Type Printui ST and press Enter. Select your printer and click Remove. Reinstall using latest drivers from Panasonic's website. Step 7. Check default printer settings. Open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners. Ensure your Panasonic printer is set as default. Click Open Print Queue to check status. Step 8. Network troubleshooting, wireless models. Run Windows Network Diagnostics. Reboot your router. Reconnect printer to network via its control panel. Step 9. Update, reinstall drivers. Right-click Start menu. Device Manager. Expand Print Queues. Right-click your printer. Update driver. Choose Search automatically. Step 10. Advanced solutions. Reset Windows Print. Spooler. Press Windows +R. Type Services. MSC. Find Print Spooler. Right-click. Restart. Temporarily disable firewall, antivirus. Step 11. Contact support. Visit Panasonic support website. Use model-specific troubleshooting guides. Contact customer support if needed. Prevention tips. Install Windows updates regularly. Use genuine Panasonic consumables. Maintain stable power connection. Start with basic steps and proceed to advanced solutions if needed. Most offline issues are resolved by Step 5. For more updates, follow our channel, The Printer Zone.